The share boundlessness truly shows negative energy throughout the end of the week, or so they very thought. The cost of a share limitlessness actually for the most part has fallen by 0.14% in the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive way, which especially is genuinely huge. As far as Axie's support floor, it fundamentally is presently $10.21, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. Axie by and large most certainly has its most certainly in every practical sense. Next opposition at $11.87, all things considered, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking in a significant way. 15 October 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through a share limitlessness cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and genuinely attempt to answer these habitually explicitly sought clarification on some things, facts, what basically most certainly is in every way that really matters, transient cost expectation for a share boundlessness. Truly is Axie a reasonably especially wise interest in an in every practical sense, large way. A share vastness support and opposition levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner. Be that as it may, prior to jumping certainly profound into the Axie's specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us by and large discussion about the ongoing economic situations, which for the most part is very huge. Market examination over the decently essentially last 24 hours, there most certainly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital money market to $1,056,887,880,723 in a pretty genuinely enormous manner. The by and large complete exchanging volume especially remains at $16,142,267,714 in a very enormous manner. Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a predominance of 16.33%, which explicitly truly is very critical. Which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,031.64 level after a vertical development of 0.61%, which by and large is genuinely critical, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 0.28% coming to $1,559.84 during the past 24 hours, or so they sort of thought in a significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $209.67, following a value change of 1.54% inside a similar time span, which by and large shows that Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market, while Ethereum quite the most part has a predominance of 16.33% in an exceptionally significant manner, or so they thought. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, essentially is up by 0.36 and as of now exchanging at 49 cents, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking, which sort of is very huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an actually fundamentally enormous way. These occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market really is going in a fundamentally descending bearing for pretty present moment, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of, has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $1,559.84 during the past 24 hours in a by and large beautiful significant manner. As of now, an actually especially broad quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. The share endlessness backing and obstruction backing and opposition fundamentally generally are significant specialized pointers used to in every practical sense recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which in a real sense really is genuinely critical in an unpretentious manner. Support basically is a level at which purchasers sort of become commonly genuinely more sort of dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which basically is very critical incredibly. Similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which merchants explicitly become move entirely dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following by and large are the help and obstruction levels of a share boundlessness, Axie, a share vastness execution, the genuinely everyday diagram of a share endlessness generally in every way that really matters, shows that the Axie cost by and large has a fundamentally descending development with a 0.14% diminishing in commonly fundamentally beyond 24 hours. which essentially shows that these occasions for the most part essentially demonstrate that the market basically truly is going in a sort of descending bearing for pretty present moment, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of for the most part, has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $1,559.84 during the past 24 hours, which truly is genuinely critical. The value worth of the Axie boundlessness, Axie's coin especially is remaining at $4.29, with market capitalization $605,639,320 United States dollars, in a fundamentally quite enormous manner and a very significant manner. Axie's cost changes 4.06% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume generally is floating around $19,507,216 United States dollars, by and large truly further appearance, how Axie endlessness fundamentally shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week, or so they generally thought. Axie endlessness value examination Axie's cost investigation for 15 October 2023, inside a sort of everyday time span, fundamentally made sense of beneath, showing that similarly, opposition sort of is a level at which vendors by and large become move especially in every way that really matters. Dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving commonly a lot higher in a quite enormous manner. We utilize sort of genuinely relative strength index RSI, moving in every practical sense, normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels. Different time span moving midpoints including commonly straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and dramatic moving entirely normal, EMA, to in a real sense, break down the future development of the Axie boundlessness, by and large further appearance, how Axie all things considered, has its next opposition at $11.87 in a very lovely significant manner. The Axie endlessness in every practical sense has fundamentally break all its by and large backings levels, and things generally are not looking truly really great for the crypto market, sort of exceptionally further appearance how the cost of Axie vastness especially has fallen by 0.14% in the past 24 hours, which is genuinely huge in a significant way. Right now, in every practical sense, bears truly are in charge of the market and effectively generally all things considered, take Axie's cost beneath the urgent help level of $10.21 in every way that really matters, further appearance how Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33% in a super large manner in a kind of significant manner. The MACD line truly is remaining underneath of the by and large sign line after a hybrid, so as far as Axie's support floor, it especially in every way that really matters, is presently $10.21 in a kind of essentially significant manner. Axie limitlessness financial backers need to hang tight for any directional change over the reasonably everyday outline in a really significant manner, or so they thought. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 19 and sort of in a real sense is attempting to all things considered truly break out of the negative zone while featuring gigantic negative strength, showing how Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33% in a kind of huge